Today we are doing the first ever GoPro vlog. And when I say first ever pool guy vlog, I don't mean like first ever on my channel. I mean first ever. I don't think there is one out there at all on the internet. So when I say first ever, I mean first ever. He said you can come in. I love it. Right. You guys are going to be on my YouTube channel. Oh, did we get the...
Oh, you said six shots.
Yeah, just, yeah, it's the 2-pack, right? Dude, I was actually blown away. They let us bring that camera in that shop, dude. That was wild. All right, I'm gonna change the exclusive footage. Can only be seen here, Ultimate Pool Guy. First ever pool guy vlog. Not just on my channel, on the internet. Where is it? It's not there. So this will be the first pool guy vlog where you will find exclusive content of the marijuana dispensary floor. Only here. My vlogs, the pool guy vlog. What is the pool guy vlog? The pool guy vlog, this is going to be both entertaining and educational and informative. This is going to be a real and a raw vlog. Today's vlog is going to focus on what it is to be obsessive. See, let me put it to you like this. We're not all living the same life. What do I mean by that? We're not all living at the same level of comfort, right? Some people are able to live a little more comfortably, and other people are more on the struggle than they probably would like to. And what is really the margin? What separates these people? How does the person that's not getting what they want out of life, how do they get closer to getting the results they want? I find that success is not a straight line. Most people think the linear projection of success is a straight line. That is simply not true. Success is, I have an idea, I move in a particular direction. In this movement, in this direction, you're going to experience problems, setbacks, financial difficulties, haters, naysayers, buddy fuckers, and everybody else trying to hold you back on their level. The linear projection for a successful idea looks more like this. I move in a direction, I have a failure, a setback. In this moment, you're gathering information, you're learning from that. You then apply those lessons forward and you progress and move and learn and progress and move and learn. So it's incremental steps of progress. It is not this linear graph and this arrival at this place that you'd like to be at. In fact, right now my personal life is a little messy. I'm dealing with a lot of things and a lot of stuff that I rather not deal with. But nobody is immune to the problems of life. Nobody gets out of this thing unscathed. I find, at least in my life, that my days are not focused around accomplishing the occasional big thing, that rather my days are filled with tasks that seem small, almost meaningless. Go clean one pool, go clean a pool filter, go pick up the mail at the bank. It's like this. Who is the guy that did the light bulb? Was that Edison? Right, so what he failed between 1 and 10,000 times? Being obsessive about your results and being consistent is really the same message. What I want to see from the people around me is really a never give up attitude. You don't really know the obstacles and you don't really know the failures that you're going to experience when you take something on. So you never actually really know how hard your goals are that you're trying to chase. So just forget about all that. And the agreement that I'd like you to make with yourself is simply, I'm gonna push through until I get what I want, no matter what comes up in front of me. That's being obsessive about your success. I mean, that's pretty interesting, right? Like, when was the last time you stuck with anything past the 3rd or 4th failure? I mean, really think about that. Or let's say you fail 10 times. Okay, I'm going to the gym today and I come home and I don't see any results. Okay, so I go to the gym again tomorrow. Well, on day 2, I go to the gym and I come back and I see no results. So on the 3rd day, I go to the gym and I come back and I still don't see any results, so I quit. Well, that's just like in business. You have to continually take yourself out there and put yourself out there, failing along the way. Now, we choose things like going to the gym because going to the gym has a track record of success. And you know that if you stick with that plan or that approach, sooner or later, I do not know on what day, but you will come home and you will have effing results. Well, the same thing in business. I go out, I fail, I come home, I look at that, I make adjustments, and I go out again, and I try again. Now, the reason you have to have an obsessed mind when it comes to success is because any sane person will quit along the way. Any rational or realistic person would say, oh, I'm done. So you have to have that obsessive quality where you're going at it again and again and again and again, failure after failure, adjust, do it again, adjust, do it again, adjust, try again. And all those failures is providing feedback to you, that necessary feedback. You need those failures so you better understand how to walk whatever path you're on. So I say it requires an obsessive mindset. You have to be obsessed. You have to want that thing. Entrepreneurs are people that are obsessed with success. Oh, there's a cop. Cop. I'm just kidding. So how do we get closer, Mike, to getting what we want? Well, we have to work for it. Well, that sounds like a very simple concept. Why is this so special to be in your vlog? Well, we're not all working, we're not all really putting in that same hard work. And the harder you work and the loftier your goals, the more difficult that path is going to be, right? The person that, has big aspirations and big ambitions has a lot of work to do. So on that path, you're going to fail your way to success. And my message to you is to be obsessed. Be obsessed. I look at it like a Rubik's Cube, but I don't have a Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to use a cell phone. But I look at it like a square object. So I come at something from the top, and the top doesn't work. So I come at it from the bottom, and the side, and the front, and the back. And again, every time I come at it, I have a little more information, a little more feedback. So I'm able to come at it a little differently, a little better adjusted, if you will. To get anywhere close to this in your life, you're gonna have to be consistent, take no BS, and keep pushing, even when you think things are not possible. The very first Pool Guy vlog is dedicated and shout out to Pierre Lowe. Pierre Lowe, you are an inspiration to everybody around you, as much as you've been inspired by any work that you have seen here on the Ultimate Pool Guy YouTube channel.
Why would somebody drive like that? What an idiot.
The really, really little things. This is Mike, and I hope that you enjoyed the very first, that's too much, right? Like we should.
No, that's fine. Uncensored, baby.
Yeah.